Okay. Okay. Oh no, I saw that missing container. Let's make a line to tell the train to stop. Yeah, let's do it. If we block the tracks, then maybe he'll know. I don't know what this commotion is all about. I don't even know. We did it! We got the train to stop. What is going on? Nothing. Oh no, boy. Right there. What? Right there. And you, why do you follow along? 5 minutes. 2 minutes. And you could have at least backed up. But there's cars behind me. Dun, 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 dun. You could have backed up. I didn't even see that there was a car on the tracks. Everybody's clear now. Okay. What happens? Let's get moving. Just hold up. I'm stuck. My car is stuck. Yeah, right. Your car's not stuck. No. You're being all I want attention. No, my car is stuck. My car is really stuck. I'll just radio up to the trains. There's a car. You 600, you may go now. There's a car stuck on the tracks. I didn't hear it. There's a car stuck on the tracks. Whoa! That's awesome. The train's coming. I know what to do. Dun, 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 dun. I can't push him. I need backup. I can't do it. Oh well. I know how. It's okay, guys. Don't get yourself on the track. You gotta stay there. We have 1990. He's gonna couple to the end of you. You're gonna be a double header. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. You'll be fine. I'm just gonna couple to the end of you. I don't know about this. I don't know. You'll be fine. Really? You'll be fine. Come on. Honk. Honk at the crossing. Sure. I gave him the one salute. Isn't that enough? Beach lights are on, headlights is on, beep. Let's see. Headlight is on. Oh, the ditch lights are on. Yo, I'm gonna couple to the end of you. I thought you had that weird voice. No, that's one of my friends. No, I'm gonna couple to the end of you. Okay. Okay, I'll go one, okay? The wheel's off the track. I'll be fine, boy. Now when are you gonna couple me? I'm coming. Would you mind if I went to three? Yeah, I'm heading up too slowly. I'll honk the horn whenever I want you to slow down. You don't need me to slow down. Why? Ka-ching, ka-ching. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. Hey, stop. Hey, yo. Hey, I'm not Alaska, but it might work. Yo. Dun, 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 dun. Line up, everybody. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What are you doing? Stop! Oh, yeah. What are we gonna do? Just wait here? Oh, there's two cars on the tracks. I'm done. Yeah! I'm totally done. Who needs this? The train's just gonna wait. What's the hold up? This took wait another minute. Oh, I am done. So am I. Let's go. I am so done. What is this? The lights aren't flashing. The gate is up. There's a sign that says please honk for the cable. What's he doing? Oh, water containers. I gotta get some. Woo, 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 woo. Oh no! Bam! Yeah. Ding 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 To be continued. Okay. Hey, he didn't honk at the crossing. What? Dun 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 dun. What? Man said 202, you're about 22 to the. Stop that kid.